Hi guys, Kelly here again, and I've been making so many videos recently, haven't I? Oh my gosh, I'm not used to this. So as you can see, I am wearing this fabulous jacket because it's a cold day today. So this is what it looks like on. It's so snuggly and comfy and I love it. But that's not why I'm making a video today. I'm making a video today because I have finished these 4th of July socks. So how cool are those? I think these are really, really nice. So it's done using 80% merino wool, 20% nylon, fingering weight obviously, and I dyed this yarn myself. So yeah, I'm kind of loving it. I did dye 2 of them, but I sold one of the hanks, so this was my last one. I might have enough to do a pair of trainer socks. So I think I need to see if I've got any of this red or blue, you know, for the cuff and the heel, because I don't think I have enough otherwise left over of this actual yarn. But yeah, so here it is. The pattern is written up and it is on the shop as of now. And so are these socks, these are on the shop too. So yeah, I want to see if anyone's interested in buying socks because I have so much sock yarn. So I might as well sell the socks. So they are size 5 UK, which I believe is size 7 in the US. So there we have it. And at the minute I am making, I'm designing kind of just a basic plain t-shirt, but I've left that upstairs. So I'll do another video in a couple of days or so and I will show you that. Right, so I'm going to go now. I'm going to play Minecraft with the boys for a bit. And then I had a dream. I had this dream and it was about chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to make some white chocolate chip cookies with white chocolate chip and toffee cookies. So yeah, I'm going to do the battered toffee flavour and then just add the white chocolate chips. Don't know if it'll work out. I've never seen this recipe before. Don't know the quantities of everything that I should put in, but I'm going to fudge it. And then we'll see what it's like and I'm sure we'll eat it. Come on. Chocolate chip cookies. I'm sure we will eat it. So yeah, I'll probably post them up on my Instagram. If you're on Instagram, I'm on Instagram as Crafted by Kelly X. So yeah, I'll post a picture up there if you want to see what my cookies are like. Alright, so I'm going to go. I'm going to play with the boys. Well, Usman's trying to be a rabbit with the socks.
Hi!
Alright then, so you want to say bye to everyone?
Bye.
Alright, so happy crafting everyone, stay safe and thank you for watching.
Bye!
Bye!